Welcome to an in-depth exploration of the tower crane, a marvel of engineering. Above the mast, we find the slewing unit. This crucial component allows the crane to rotate a full 360. Begin our analysis with the hook block, revealing the complex array of pulley wheels and the sturdy construction that defines its lifting capacity. Before any tower crane can rise, a meticulously crafted foundation must first be laid, anchoring it firmly to the earth. Next, a robust rebar cage is carefully positioned. High-strength concrete is then poured into the excavation, meticulously encasing the rebar and anchor bolts. After careful curing, the concrete solidifies into an unyielding block. With the robust foundation firmly in place, secured by perfectly aligned anchor bolts, we are now prepared for the next. The mast base is meticulously lowered, its alignment precise. The base is now inextricably linked to the earth, creating the bedrock for the entire structure. The initial phase of tower crane construction.
With remarkable precision, the mobile crane hoists the first mast section.
Next, the slewing unit, the rotational heart of the tower crane, is carefully lifted. With the slewing unit and the operator's cabin now in place, here we see the flawless integration of the mast segments. The wireframe overlay highlights the precise alignment. This ingenious climbing frame, a marvel of engineering, surrounds the mast. Its core Watch closely as the hydraulic rams begin their work. This is the moment the crane prepares to lift itself. With incredible precision and power, the hydraulic rams extend, meticulously. This lower collar, which temporarily secured the frame, now retracts its locking pins and releases its grip, freeing the frame.
Observe the smooth upward tracking shot of the climbing frame. The disengagement of the lower collar allows for the controlled slide along the mast.
With the upper collar secured, the hydraulic rams now retract, drawing the entire climbing frame upwards. With the lower collar now secured, the upper collar disengages, allowing the powerful hydraulic rams to extend. The hydraulic rams continue their powerful extension, providing the force to steadily elevate the crane. As the rams reach their full extension, the upper collar aligns perfectly with the locked mast section. With the upper collar secured, one complete self-building cycle is finalized. The tower crane stands. With expert precision, the new mast section is now perfectly seated within the climbing frame. Here we see the hydraulic climbing system in operation. As the rams extend, they create the necessary. Here we see the hydraulic rams engage, precisely lowering the slewing unit. Each new mast section is engineered for paramount strength, featuring robust interlocking systems and hydraulic pin. With the new section seamlessly integrated, the crane's operational capabilities are fully restored. The ability of a tower crane to extend its own height is a testament to engineering innovation. The tower crane is a marvel of modular construction. Focusing on the slewing unit, we see the intricate interplay of gear. In this detailed view, we see the jib section ascending in slow motion. The focus here is on As the assembly nears completion, the schematic lines confirm the integrity of the connection, ensuring optimal tension is achieved. This detailed 3D rendering highlights the critical components. The mast, the slewing unit. Once fully erected, the tower crane stands as a colossal symbol of engineering prowess, ready to define skylines. With unparalleled strength, it effortlessly lifts immense loads, guiding them precisely into position for the next stage of construction. This innovative design allows for rapid assembly and unparalleled efficiency on construction sites worldwide.